Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will see tracking pop-up performance, utilizing Popup Maker's built-in analytics, and analyzing the data to improve the effectiveness of your pop-ups. Popup Maker provides the key performance metrics that you can use to measure the success of your campaigns. Go to the Popup Maker in the dashboard. Here, you can see the list of already created pop-ups. Now, you can see the tabs here: Opens, Conversions, and Conversion Rate. Opens means how many times users have opened the pop-up. Conversions tracks how many users took the desired action. For example, subscribing, clicking a button, or completing a form. Conversion rate indicates how effectively the pop-up engages users and drives actions. A high conversion rate signifies your pop-up is successfully engaging users and motivating them to take action. A low conversion rate suggests the pop-up needs some improvements. From where these analytics come from? We will add the subscription form to a pop-up which is not built by any third-party plugin. That is a pop-up on shortcode. Click on the pop-up you have already created. As you can see, the settings for this pop-up will appear like this. Now, click on that option. You will get options like these. If you want to add a pop-up trigger, pop-up close button, cookies, login form, registration form, recovery form, and subscription form. You can add a subscription form because we need to track the subscriber. Click on Add Subscription Form. Now, in the general settings, add the service provider. If you have set up a service provider, you can select it here. Go to Form. Here you can select the name field type. Select full, first only, or first and last name. If you want to make the name optional, check the name optional box. In labels, disable the label by clicking on this option. These are the field labels that will be displayed on your form. In placeholders, you can also set placeholders. In appearance, change the layout of the form by clicking on Form Layout. You can choose either block or inline. You can set the alignment of your form also by using Form Alignment. You can select either left, center, or right. Then, select the form style. You can choose default or none. In privacy, if you want to add privacy to the form, you can check the consent field label box. To make consent required, check the consent required box. You can also change the field type to radio or checkbox. In consent radio layout, select either inline or stacked. Then, there's consent yes label, consent no label, and consent usage text. In actions, you can display the pop-up on close by selecting close pop-up. If you want to redirect the subscription form to another page, select redirect and add a URL here. When finished, click Save Changes. As you can see, the form is appearing like this. Now click Update. As you can see, we have opened the target page where we have applied the pop-up. The subscription form will appear in a pop-up window. Enter a first name, last name, and email address. If you want to be notified about related content and special offers, click Yes or No. Then click Subscribe. This means the user has subscribed to the subscription form. Now we will check the analytics of the subscription form in the Subscriber tab. You can see the list of users who subscribed to the form we added in the pop-up with their last name, full name, the name of the pop-up, and the subscription date. If we again go to all pop-ups, you'll see that the opens, conversions, and conversion rate have increased. This means if more users engage in the subscription form, the conversions and the conversion rate will increase as well. That's how we can analyze pop-up performance analytics and the data to improve the effectiveness of pop-ups. That wraps up our lesson on pop-ups analytics and tracking. If you want to see more videos like these, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.